Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access one of your apps that you wish to manage. In my case, Maps. Now click on one of those options under Allow Maps to Access, or click on those switchers next to Presented Features to allow or deny your app access to them. If you wish to select one of those though, click on the chosen one and apply the best option for you. Allow, ask next time or when I share, while using the app or while using the app or widgets. When you finished, just click on the top left corner to go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!